Weberset Nova in adhesive for low porosity vitrified tiles on wall and floor and natural stones on floor. For fixing low porous vitrified tiles on wall and floor. And natural stone onto the floor. Keep the following tools handy before you start an application. Make sure you wear safety shoes, face mask, safety goggles and gloves before you start any activities. The substrate should be freed from dust and other particles with the help of a wet sponge. 2.5 parts of Weberset Nova should be added into 1 part of water. And mixed to get a smooth, uniform and consistent paste. 3 parts of Weberset Nova should be added into 1 pot of water. The adhesive should be spread on the surface using the flat surface of the notch trowel. And then notching shall be done in unidirection. Remember, the notching should be perpendicular to the length of the tile. Spread the material as much as you can fix within open time. Firmly press the tile into the adhesive to ensure good initial bonding. Provide shear perpendicular to the direction of the notch. Ensure adequate gap between tiles to accommodate thermal expansion and contraction. Grouting can be done after 24 hours depending upon the usage. For a 3 mm bed thickness, the coverage will be 4 to 4.5 kg per square meter. Weberset Nova is available in 20 kg and 40 kg pack size, in white and grey color. For low porosity vitrified tiles on wall and floor and natural stones on floor. For more details, please refer to the technical data sheet.